This is it, Red Squad.
TIE fighters are targeting our blockade runners. Defend them. Let's stop the Imperials here.
Got it. S-foils unresponsive! Awesome! Good job!
Those TIE bombers must not be allowed to complete their attack run.
I've taken a lot of hits over here! Red Squad, are you seeing this? No coming back from that!
Their TIE bombers are getting through. Intercept them. Defend our blockade runners.
That was effective.
They've destroyed a blockade runner.
I'll teach this guy a lesson. That is a little close there to shoot.
Stop those bombers!
I'm going down!
Only one blockade runner left. Protect it.
We need to halt their advance.
Our blockade runners are down. The Imperials are advancing. Hold them back. We've kept those TIE bombers from completing their attack run. Safeguard the mines. They're keeping the Imperials at bay.
Evasive action! Wait a sec! Target destroyed. All systems... They're holding it together here. We've lost a pilot.
Through the Force, this battle will be won.
The Force is my ally.
Face the power of the
Sensors detect incoming TIE bombers. Take them out, quick! Intercept the TIE fighters. Don't let them clear out our mines. Their TIE bombers are hammering our forces. They must be stopped.
Damage, I say.
Dump the brake.
Behind me they are.
The Imperials don't have many ships left. End this now. Finish them off. Keep their TIE fighters from destroying the mines.